welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an inventory of all the food that we have, and then we are going to go to the store. So everybody's eating, or they're eating right now, and I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna go in the kitchen, I'm gonna go through the pantry, I'm gonna go through the fridge and the freezer, and also the deep freezer, write down everything that we have. But I just want to get a general idea before we go to the grocery store. My goal is to keep it under $100. Okay, so I've got my list together. I labeled everything: produce, frozen fresh, breakfast items, meat, snacks inside. Their goal of mine in 2023 is to like really lower our food waste, because I've gotten better, you know, at making sure that we eat leftovers and stuff like that. But a lot of times I'll buy like produce and it comes to my fridge to pass away, and then it gets thrown away. In today's economy, like, we cannot afford to be wasting food, wasting money, stuff like that. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I just did, obviously, the fridge. So I've got fresh cucumber, celery, zucchini, yellow squash, green beans, 2 bags of those, carrots. I added dairy because I didn't have that on there at first. I've got plenty of shredded cheese. We have cheese sticks for a snack. We have almond milk. We have Parmesan cheese. And then I have half a container of cottage cheese. So I'll probably get another one of those. And then I have 36 eggs altogether. And as far as fruit, fresh fruit, I only have apples. We've got 4 of those. So I'm trying to go through and be really meticulous about writing down the number of things that I have, so that way I know if I need to get more. We want to be able to have meals and snacks for 2 weeks. So that's why I'm doing the inventory, so that way I know everything that we have. I know we have plenty of meat. We pretty much have plenty of sides. So it's really going to fall down to like breakfast items and snacks for the kids, because y'all know kids love snacks. So now I'm going to move on to the freezer. Real quick, I want to say, if you are not saving your scraps to make your own homemade vegetable broth, then you are missing out, because like I always say, 10 out of 10 recommend, and it's just very cost efficient, so you don't have to run out and go buy a $3 thing of broth when you have your own already made. So I have about 2 bags of these that need to be made into vegetable broth, and it's super easy. So maybe I will make another video showing you guys how I do that. So I finished everything off camera. I got everything written down that we have. I also made a small grocery list. This is everything that we have, front and back. Small grocery list of things we need for sure. And then I also have a $10 off coupon that I'm going to use. So as long as you spend $50 or more, you can use the $10 off coupon. So that's definitely a plus for wanting to stick within the $100 or less budget. So I'm about to get everybody ready to go, and we are going to hit WinCo. We thought about going to Costco, but the thing with WinCo is that you don't have to buy everything in bulk. They offer like singular items and then also items in bulk. We just thought it would be a good idea to do that. Let's get going. Peanut butter, we've got bread, tortillas, and goldfish, black beans. Okay.
It's $4 for a pound.
For a pound?
Yes.
That's cheap. Stanley. Hi. Okay, so we just got back in the car. And, oh, hold on, let me look at the receipt. So we got 38 items and we spent a total of $105.17. Would have been less than $100 if we were able to use our coupon. We couldn't use it there because I guess their coupons are low.
Is that why, or is it because somebody did not read the fine print?
When I get home, I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got. We are back home and I've got all the groceries. We were able to get 4 packages of yellow rice. We got 4 cans of black bean. We got a whole 18 carton of eggs. Let's see, this is 4-pound jar of creamy peanut butter. We go through the tortillas very quickly. So I got a whole nother thing of tortillas. There's 20 in here. And we have a box of grits. This is a pound. Or a pound and 4 ounces actually. We got, this is I don't know if this is a full pound, but the way WinCo does it is they do the price by the pound. So we could have gotten more, but this is Italian seasoning. I got a pound of the melting chocolates because that's going to go on the next cereal bars that I make. A pound and a half of chocolate chips for the chocolate chip cookies I'm making tonight. 2.5 pounds of brown sugar. This was 87 cents per pound. Cannot beat that price. I've got a pound of Cheerios, just regular flavored. These are going to be what I used for our cereal bars. A pound of pretzels. I like putting these with ranch seasoning. So what you do is you just drizzle a little olive oil on there and then sprinkle it with ranch seasoning, shake it all up, and you're good to go. And you have a great snack. 2 things of bananas. Half of these I'm going to use to make frozen banana Snicker bars. And so all it is you take your bananas, you cut them in half. On the half that's flat, you spread peanut butter and then you drizzle chocolate and your nut of choice. You can use almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, whatever you want. And then you stick it in the freezer and you've got a nice, delicious, healthy snack. A 16 slice package of Colby Jack cheese. 2 pounds of red seedless grapes. We have 5 apples, 2 bushels of cilantro, and I got a thing of the green onions. I always just like to have green onions on hand. I don't have anything specific for that. I wanted to try using some shortening to make a couple of, so I'm making Cheez-Its, and I didn't want to use a whole lot of butter just because butter is expensive and I didn't want to like use all of it because I have to use it for other things. So I got a different brand of shortening to use for that. And just to bake some things, I kind of want to make a couple of pie crusts. So I will let you guys know how this works out. I don't know if you guys have this same brand in your area. I know everybody's used to Crisco, but this was cheaper, so I figured we'd try it out. Some more unsalted sweet cream butter. 2 32-ounce containers of the Nancy's probiotic whole milk yogurt. I love Nancy's brand yogurt. They have low fat, they have skim milk, they have no fat and whole milk, and they have a Greek yogurt one. It's all probiotic, and this is like my favorite. I'm always looking for this. Excited when they had it. We have a huge 48 ounce, so 3 pounds of low fat cottage cheese. This is a good snack for the kids. We decided to try a different type of breakfast sausage, so this was just what WinCo had. It looked good, so we're going to try it. It's a pound each, so 2 total pounds of breakfast sausage. Got some of the mega sharp cheddar big goldfish. I was actually really excited for these. I've never had these, and I'm excited to try them, so the kids better watch out. We have another carton of the almond milk. Normally, I don't buy brand almond milk. I buy whatever the store has, but WinCo didn't have their own brand. So we just got the Almond Breeze. I have 2 bags of chips, the Farm Stand Ranch and the Honey Dijon. And we have the Franz brand whole wheat bread. And then as a treat for our coffee, we got the sugar-free vanilla syrup. That is everything that we got for $105.17. This is going to go with everything that we have and last us for 2 weeks. I'm so excited. Like, me and my husband were just talking off camera, and he's like, normally we have like a bag and a half and it's $100. So to get all of this for $105, I will take that any day. I think my favorite thing that WinCo has to offer is that they are 100% employee owned, and I think that's why their prices are able to be so cheap. And the bulk items that they offer, I love Costco for their bulk items. However, I like WinCo being the fact that you can pick how much in bulk you get. So with Costco, obviously everything's prepackaged, so you get whatever they make. But at WinCo, I get to decide how much of that bulk item that I want, and I love that. So like I said, we'll definitely be going back. I'm hoping that they offer a grocery delivery service, because you guys know I love me a good old let's deliver it to the front door. Because with 3 kids, I'm not trying to go out like that all the time. I am so glad that you guys stopped by to watch this video, and you guys kind of spent the day with us and went on our little shopping trip. I hope that I gave you a little bit of incentive to kind of start setting a budget. That's something that we're gonna do, is setting a budget and stick to it, and start couponing, things like that. Thank you guys for tuning in for this video and spending the day with my family. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get notified whenever I post. I post shorts daily, and I am posting a video at least once a week, so check that out. And if you did forget, this is the channel for all things homemaking, homeschooling, and motherhood. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.